What's up, guys? It's your boy Quax, man. Today is a beautiful day and I figured why not get outside, get some fresh air and go for a walk. So I'm at Barangaroo. I'm taking a nice long walk around the city. I'm going to show you guys a lot of amazing scenery and hopefully it inspires you to come outside. You know, this is what it's all about. Just motivating people to get out, enjoy Mother Nature, enjoy what the world has to offer us, not just through our screens, but you know, using our actual eyes. So hey, join me, it's gonna be fun. I'm at Barangaroo Reserve, let's get it. Here is a nice little walkway, great views. You can see the harbour. So one of the best things about the Stargazer lawn is if you're looking for a spot just to sit on some grass, read a book, it's perfect. You get the views. You get the fresh smell from the harbour being nearby. You get to see different boats and different kind of things happening around you. People, you hear birds, nature. It's perfect. There's a playground park if you have kids. It's a great spot. I love this place. I think it's one of the best things about starting at Barangaroo. One thing you're gonna see out here at Walsh Bay, a lot of people fishing. And I'm not just talking about during the day, even at midnight, 3 a.m. in the morning, they're fishing. You know, the fishing culture in this specific area is crazy. I just saw someone that I know who is fishing, which is great. So yeah, it's a real thing. If you wanna catch some fish, come out to Walsh Bay.
Stop until we get your say it.
So I'm out here at Circular Quay, just having a quick water break before I continue. Circular Quay is great for a lot of different like restaurants and cafes. You get the Harbour Bridge view, you get the view of the Opera House, and there's some interesting museums nearby. So this is a great place to chill out for a little bit before you continue. So let's get it. Museum of Contemporary Art Australia. And then just to the left, we have the Circular Quay railway station. So I've reached the Royal Botanical Gardens. I love the greenery out here, mixed in with the blue from the harbour. A lot of different people just setting up picnics, relaxing, reading in the shade, in the sun. You get whatever you want out here, it's beautiful. I love the different trees. So sometimes I just like to walk past different trees to see them. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good, mate. Lots of really nice greenery out here.
Thank you, enjoy. Would you like tray?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
Perfect. If you're in the city, check out Spice Alley. It's like a really cool, intimate spot with different kind of cuisines from Asia. The lighting is great, the ambiance is great, the vibe is really chill. It's great.